So recently somebody was asking me about having a travel outfit, basically like whether to just travel in, like when it's actually travel day, when you're going to the airport and you're going around, whether to have, just wear what you normally wear, or have like a special, set of clothes or something. I'm a big fan of having like something that's specially, like an outfit that's like specially set aside for that. Like what I have, I basically, I only wear it on actual travel days. I never like on it because like I'm like there's this sort of an epidemic of white people traveling around Southeast Asia in cargo shorts and khakis and all that other stuff, and it doesn't look good. It makes you look old. If you didn't notice, like I'm looking pretty old. I got my little baseball cap with the regular little brim. I actually do today have the shorts. I have the cargo shorts. When you're traveling, you want to think more about functionality rather than fashion or anything really else. One of the nice things about what you wear when you're on the days you're traveling is it's the one time where the bulk of the item is not something you have to carefully think about because it's not going in any bags. You're just going to wear it. So considerations are obviously going to be based on what kind of travel you're actually doing. So if you're going from warm climate to warm climate, that one's, obviously the easiest. T-shirts and a pair of shorts with enough pockets to, put your passport, your little, your eye covers, whatever else you need. It gets a little bit trickier when you're going from a warm climate to a cold climate. If you're changing climates or going from warm to cold or cold to warm, then you have to sort of factor that in. Because I'm out traveling for so long right now, and my basic plan is to spend all of winter in warm climates, I don't really have like really any other warm clothing that I'm traveling with. I've got like one pair of jeans and a hoodie. The jeans are sort of dual use of if I end up meeting up with a friend and we go clubbing or something like that, I have, some pants to wear and also have something that is like more cold weather appropriate. And then the hoodie I'll probably never wear. And the whole, I'm trying to not go back at all during go back to anywhere that's like kind of cold during the winter months. However, if there's like some sort of emergency situation, I do want to have something I can actually put on, sort of my short ditch clothing to go to Korea where I have the rest of my other cold weather stuff, and then move on from there. But aside from that, you basically, I would say that have versus the rest of your fashion choices, really just have like one travel outfit that's set aside. I leave mine in my closet. I never touch it. I never look at it because it's stuff that I just generally don't want to wear most of the time. But then when you're on that day, you already know exactly what you're going to wear. It's not like an extra decision you need to make. You're not like resorting the way you're packing because you're putting one thing in and taking one thing out. It's already factored in that it's not going in a bag anyway. And then that way when I'm traveling, like when I'm packing the day before, I already basically know tomorrow I'm gonna have this set aside. And then, on the day of, the only thing I really have left to pack is, like if I packed the night before, the only thing really I have left to pack is basically like the clothes I'm wearing the last night I'm there, and then the next morning I just put on my other stuff. So, there's a little bit of a rant, but I want to get one in there real quick since I showed up at the airport a little bit early, and I happen to be in my little old man outfit for travel. But right now I'm heading to Bali, so I'm really looking forward to getting there and changing back into something that I like a little bit more. All right. If you liked this, go ahead and hit the subscribe button.